Okay. Okay, one. Yeah. Hi, welcome to the National Critics' Choice Online News. Welcome to the Steinberg Review. I'm Robin Steinberg, and welcome to my show again. Today we have a very distinguished artist from India, known as Mr. Sanjay Kumar, who is here in Singapore showcasing his wonderful works at the Art House. And we're going to be asking just a few questions about his inspiration behind it. Mr. Sanjay Kumar, welcome to my show.
Yeah.
And welcome to Singapore also. This is one of the rare occasions where we have your artworks here displayed over at the Arts House here in Singapore. First of all, my viewers would like to know what's your inspiration behind your paintings, and what is your philosophy of Buddhism?
ये मैं बिहार का रहने वाला हूँ, बौद्ध गया जहाँ बुद्ध का जन्म ये ज्ञान प्राप्त हुई है, वहाँ से मैं हूँ और वहाँ से मैं बचपन से बुद्ध को देखा है। और फिर मैं इंडियन मैथोलॉजिकल कैरेक्टर पहले बनाया करता था, बाद में फिर धीरे धीरे मैं बुद्ध की ओर कन्वर्ट होता चला गया। फिर उसके बाद हमारी स्थिति बहुत बुरी हुई थी और उस वक्त मैंने बुद्ध के बारे में कुछ पढ़ा था। एक छोटी सी स्टोरी है, वो लंबी हो जाएगी अभी यहाँ बताने। उनकी वजह से मैं धीरे धीरे बुद्ध की ओर प्रभावित हुआ।
He is born in middle-class family in Bihar, and he has done art in art college in Patna, and he started with all the mythological work first, and then when he read a few stories of Buddha, he was so deeply inspired that he took this in a very contemporary way, that he is weaving the old stories with showing Buddha, which is so much in relevance with the modern world.
Amazing, Mr. Kumar. What would be the three things that you have learned about Buddhism, and how would you like your viewers, as well as my fans, learn what you have experienced?
ऑल पेंटिंग
नहीं, आप तीन चीज़ क्या सीखे हैं इसमें?
इसमें हमारा जो सबसे बड़ी जो सीखने की है, एक तो हमारा कैटलॉग में भिक्षांदेही जो हमने शस्त्र को मैंने रखा है, तो बुद्ध जो अपने जीवन में भिक्षा पात्र वो जीवन यापन करने के लिए प्रेरित किया करते थे। जो आज के तारीख में आज आतंकवादी और जो जितने ग्लोबल ये हो रहे हैं, उनको रोकने के लिए हमने उनसे हथियार मांगने की ये किया। हमने बॉल में भिक्षा के नाम पे हमने उनसे हथियार मांगने के लिए कि शांति के लिए, तो पीस।
What message he can give, I would say in his interpretation, not exactly translation, because I have spoken to him a lot of times, the simplicity of life, secondly non-violence, that is peaceful way of life, and as he says right now, that because of the terrorism all around in the world, he's kind of asking all the terrorists to put all the weapons in this Viksha ball, where he wants people to surrender and have a peaceful way of life. That's what he has learned, and compassion for people. So these three messages he would like to.
Mr. Kumar, behind this painting, what kind of texture do you use? Is it oil? It's not 100% oil based, is that correct?
It is, the canvases the background is acrylic and charcoal. Acrylic colors and then charcoal and ink drawings. And the paperwork has charcoal and the ink, the pen work. And paperwork
पेपर चारकोल पेपर।
Now, what would be your advice for future young artists aspiring to become good artists? What would be your three key advice for aspiring artists?
नए आर्टिस्ट के लिए आपकी क्या सलाह है?
नहीं, नए आर्टिस्ट के लिए सलाह है वो काम करें, अच्छा काम करें, और अब जो भी काम कर रहे हैं वो ईमानदारी से करें। कोई भी आर्ट होता है, आर्ट के बारे में मेरा कोई कमेंट नहीं, पर वो जितना डिवोट लेंगे, जितना वो अब उनके साथ जुड़े रहेंगे, पेंटिंग के साथ जुड़ेंगे, उतना उनको फायदा होगा इसमें।
See, what he says is the young artist should be more focused, dedicated and persistent. Whatever art they love to do, whatever medium they want to use, he says, I have no comment on that, but honesty is most important in your own work, which is what he has followed all these years with very focused and dedicated mind, and he has done study and research before doing all the works.
What is the one most challenging part of being an artist when you painted this series of Buddhism?
ऑल वर्क इज चैलेंजिंग। आप जितने रिसर्च करते हैं और जितने मीडियम के साथ आप जुड़ते हैं, उस मीडियम के टेंडेंसी कैरेक्टर को पकड़ना वो अपने आप में एक चैलेंज होती है जिसको आपको हैंडलिंग करने होते हैं।
See, each work is, it requires so much of precision, and actually whatever he wants to express, he has to be so correct in that it's like a challenge. Each work, when he imagines that and then he actually transfers that on canvas or paper, it's a challenge.
What's your favorite moment while you are painting your work?
सबसे अच्छी घड़ी कौन सी होती है जब पेंटिंग करते हैं?
नहीं, वो तो जब काम आप कर रहे होते हैं, जो आपके रिजल्ट जो आपके मेंटल लेवल पे चल रहा है, उसको आप एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं और वो चल रहा है। सेंस कर्ता और क्रिया दो अलग अलग चीज़ें होती हैं, जब एक साथ मिलती है तब वो सहजता से वो चलने जब लगता है तो हम उनके साथ बहना शुरू होते हैं,
तब खुश होते हैं।
तो मैं
What he says is what he visualizes in his mind, and when actually he's able to translate that on with the medium on paper and canvas, the happiest moment is then when it happens actually, the whole coordination happens.
Mr. Kumar, what is next for you and what is the future of art for you?
I don't know. मेरा काम करना, मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, उसके बारे में मैं कुछ नहीं करता। बुद्ध ने बोला, बुद्ध वर्तमान में होते हैं, प्रेजेंट, नो पास्ट नो फ्यूचर, इट इज प्रेजेंट।
See, as an artist, he will not say, I mean, he doesn't even want to think what he'll do in future. He'll be guided automatically. That's what he believes in. He believes in present. And that's what Buddha's teaching was. And if all human race, they follow this, not to go in past or future, then the happiest moment would be here. That's why it's called present. And future will take its own course because he's letting it flow naturally. He believes in sahajta. That is another teaching of Buddha, which is very casual, very not meticulous, not calculated. It happens, and he wants that natural process to go on.
Are you a Buddhist yourself?
आप बुद्धिज्म फॉलो करते हो? थोड़े हो गए करते करते?
Yes.
He has not ritually accepted Buddhism. Means he has not done all those rituals, but he's more of a Buddhist than, you know.
Buddhist philosophy is accept.
Yeah. उनको, I mean.
I am follow.
At heart and mind now he is drenched into this Buddhism.
What would be the one thing that my viewers can learn from you from Buddhism? What is your favorite quote from the Buddhist teaching?
सबसे अच्छा आप क्या आपका मैसेज ऑडियंस को क्या दे सकते हो बुद्धिज्म में?
बुद्ध का जो एक सहजता, सहज सिंपल मध्यम मार्ग उनका
The message he would like to give is the middle path, where there are right now in the world he sees people going extreme, either negative or positive, or expecting too much abundance. He feels the middle path where the balance is so important and the naturalness. So that's the message you would like people to have, that just be very calm, peaceful, simple, and have the middle path.
Now, Mr. Sanjay, about the Arts House here in Singapore, how do you find your art house housing your artwork for the very first time? And, would you come back again to feature more of your work here in Singapore?
काफ़ी अच्छा लगा ये आर्ट हाउस में आना, हमें बहुत अच्छा है। सिंगापुर आना बहुत अच्छा लगा, और इस जगह हमारे पेंटिंग डिस्प्ले होना हमारे लिए बहुत ही मायने रखता है इस चीज़ के लिए।
He says he loved the venue, he loved Singapore. This is his first trip, and he's so happy. He would love to come again, and it's very, very important for him. This show is very important.
And how important is this show for you?
काफ़ी मायने रखता है, क्योंकि ये मैं फर्स्ट टाइम आया सिंगापुर, और मैं और भी आगे चाइना, जापान, बर्मा, उन सबसे जुड़ना चाहूँगा। तो ये शुरुआत है हमारी।
He's still young. He feels that this is a beginning of doing international shows. He would love to do more shows in Singapore, China, Japan, Burma, all these places. It's very important for him. This show is very important.
Now, Mr. Kumar, how can our viewers keep in contact with you in the near future? Do you have a website or a Facebook?
हाँ फेसबुक
Website?
वेबसाइट आपका वेबसाइट बताओ
Whatever.
Well, great. Well, folks, thank you for joining me here at the National Critics' Choice, the Steinberg Review. And do come and visit Singapore, as well as Mr. Kumar's website for more information. And once again, I'm Robin Steinberg. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, I hope it's okay.
You want his website?